Hey guys, Sarah here. Got everybody here with me today. Today we're going to be opening our Allure beauty box for November 2018. If you did not know, this box is $15 a month. You get full and travel size products valued at $50 to $90, and then new members always get a bonus gift valued at $15. Well, God bless you. Yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so once you have it all opened up, it looks just like this. It's got the little pamphlet right here. It will tell us everything we're getting and their full size values. As always, I will break down the values down below if you're interested in knowing the total value of the box with the sample sizes. And then I will also put if things are cruelty free if I don't know at the time of filming. So yeah, let's just go ahead and see what we got. So the first thing I'm seeing right on top is a rose lip mask from Kocostar. That's what it looks like. So Cocoa Rose Lip Mask is a hydrogel lip patch that moisturizes dry, chapped lips. It says you leave it on for 10 minutes and then just pat the excess into your lips, and that's that. I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know if they're cruelty free. I got a lip mask, I think, in the last Ricky's box that I still haven't tried. I don't know, lip masks are just not my thing. Squeaking balls is Bronx's thing, though, however. If you want to listen to that for the next 10 minutes, stay tuned. But yeah, so definitely will give this a try if it's cruelty free. If not, I'll pass it on to someone else. Sort of like meh about this. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Actually, I can tell you what that is valued at, possibly. Oh, so for 20 of them, it's $38. Let's see. Okay, so I have another mask here. This time it's for your face. This one is a Pearl Brightening Mask from Lapcos. So this one looks like it's just a sheet mask for brightening your skin. It is Korean. I can tell by the fact that there's Korean on the back of it. Again, not sure if it's cruelty free. I have a really, really hard time finding out if Korean companies are cruelty free. It's just not easy for me to find out, but if I can find out, I will definitely put it down below. I mean, I like sheet masks. I'm not mad about it, so let's see what it is valued at. So 5 of them are $14, so it's about $3 value right there. Okay, let's see. Is this like the month of masks? I got another mask. Do these have themes? Okay, so I got another mask. This one is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrating and soothing. So here's the packaging is super cute on this one. It's like a little slice of watermelon, which, fun fact, I don't like watermelon. It says the Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask is a hydrogel sheet drenched in a full bottle of hydrating skin cooling serum formulated with a blend of watermelon extract, hyaluronic acid, and Centella acetica extract that helps to quench dehydrated skin, leaving soft, supple, and bouncy. Again, doesn't say if it's cruelty free. This mask is kind of more up my alley since I do have dry skin. Let's see. This is valued at $8, so. Okay, I think I have, how many masks are in here? Good Lord. Okay, I have a bunch more masks if you want to see those. Okay, so this next one is from Patchology. It is Flashpatch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Okay, now this is actually a mask I am pumped about. Again, it doesn't say if it's cruelty free, but here's what it looks like. Under eye gel patches, anything like that, like, are my favorite kind of face masks. This one, it says you just place 1 pair of gels onto clean, dry under eye for 5 minutes. Discard after use and massage the remaining serum into your skin. So pretty standard, I guess. These ones are silver as opposed to the gold ones that I normally get in these sort of boxes. Let's see what this is valued at. So $15 for 5 pairs, so again, $3 value. Okay, we're not done with the masks. I have yet another mask. This one is cruelty-free and vegan, so that's exciting. This is for your foot. Interesting. So this is the Starskin Magic Hour Exfoliating Foot Mask Socks. Huh. I've always wanted to try something like these. I've just never done it. So basically this is just to get rid of the dead skin on your feet. This I am really, really excited about. There that is. Let's see what that's valued at. This is valued at $15, so pretty cool. Really excited about that, and that it's cruelty-free, so awesome. Okay, I have 2 more things in here. The next is from Glamglow, which is not cruelty-free. This is the Glamglow Supermud Clearing Treatment. Let's see. So this is basically a detox for your skin. It's got charcoal and kaolin clay. It's to clean your pores out, basically, help with breakouts and things like that. Luckily, I've never had a problem with breakouts. I do have enlarged pores, obviously, in some places, but this is not a product I would typically use. These kind of things are pretty drying on the skin, and I already have dry skin. I don't really need this, and it's not cruelty-free, but the full-size value of it is $59, so pretty pricey. So yeah, this will probably just go to a friend or into a giveaway. Okay, I got one last thing. So this is Invisibobble, the Traceless Hair Ring. So these are just little hair ties. They're clear with, looks like gold in them. They're just little, let's go ahead and try to put my hair up. So they work pretty well. Sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder. It doesn't feel tight on my hair. I'm not sure how it looks. I'll let you guys see. Does it look cute? I don't know. To me, they look a little cheap, to be honest, but maybe for around the house I would wear it. I wonder if you could, like, so let's see. It says, does this do anything special? Oh, that's a problem. It's stuck in my hair. I thought maybe you could stretch it out and like put it over your whole face, but it doesn't do that. So let's see. You get 3 of them in here, and they are $7.95. So and then there's also a card in here for $10 off your full price beauty purchase at Anthropology with code ANTHROBEAUTY. And that's good through December 31st. But yeah, so let's go over how I feel about this box. I got I got 5 total masks, 1 for my under eyes, 1 for my lips, 1 for my feet, and 2 for my face. And then I got the Glamglow pore cleanser and then the hair ties. Overall, even though like this is super, super mask heavy, I'm not mad about it. I like masks. I like doing masks. These things, if you have kids or like teenagers, like this kind of stuff would make really, really good stocking stuffers, so that's really cool. Curious to find out how much of this is cruelty-free, because at this point, for sure, I only know this is, and I assume hair ties are cruelty-free. So interested to look into that. I kind of like that there's some more like affordable stuff in here. Like $8 for the hair ties, like pretty much everything minus the Glamglow stuff is pretty affordable, which is nice. I like that. Sometimes Allure like gives you that balance of like bougie and I can, you know, bougie and basic is kind of how I want to say. It gives you like that nice fine line right there. But yeah, that's all I have for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.